Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness products. Today, we're diving into the world of vitamins with a product that's making waves. Sugar-free vitamin B complex gummies by Flamingo Supplements. If you're on the hunt for the best vitamin B complex chewable available, look no further. These gummies are not only delicious but also pack a powerful punch of essential B vitamins. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what sets these gummies apart. Made by Flamingo Supplements, known for their dedication to quality and taste, these gummies are sugar-free, making them a perfect choice for those watching their sugar intake or following a specific dietary plan. Each bottle contains a 2-month supply, with each gummy featuring a blend of essential B vitamins including B12, B7, B6, B3, B5, B8, and B9. And here's the best part. They're strawberry flavored, so taking your vitamins feels more like a treat than a chore. But what exactly can these gummies do for you? Well, let's start with prenatal support. For expecting mothers, getting enough B vitamins, especially B12 and folate, is crucial for fetal development. With these gummies, you can get your daily dose in a delicious and convenient way. And it's not just for moms-to-be. As we age, our bodies may have trouble absorbing certain vitamins, including B12. These gummies provide a whopping 800% of your daily B12 needs in just one serving, helping to support energy levels and overall well-being. Now, you might be wondering if these gummies are suitable for everyone. The answer is yes. They're vegan and vegetarian friendly, made from fruit-based pectin instead of gelatin, so you can feel good about what you're putting into your body. With rave reviews like that, it's clear that Flamingo Supplements' sugar-free vitamin B complex gummies are a must-have addition to your daily routine. Whether you're looking for prenatal support, a boost in energy, or just a tasty way to get your vitamins, these gummies have you covered. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know what products you'd like to see us review next. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.